Detection of chirping chorus waves far from Earth. Chirping chorus waves that threaten spacecraft have been detected far from Earth. 6.1. Chorus waves are bursts of electromagnetic radiation that can create dangerous conditions for astronauts and disrupt the operation of spacecraft. It was believed that their formation is associated with the Earth's magnetic field. And now, for the first time, scientists have detected their chirping far from our planet. Astronomy. Earth. Magnetosphere. Radiation belts. Chorus waves in the Earth's magnetosphere. Schematic representation of the Earth's magnetosphere and the location of chorus waves, first detected far from the planet. Schematic representation of the Earth's magnetosphere and the location of chorus waves, first detected far from the planet. Schematic representation of the Earth's magnetosphere and the location of chorus waves, first detected far from the planet. Space is filled with electromagnetic waves and charged particles. Since the distances between particles are too large, they rarely collide with each other. Therefore, electromagnetic waves are considered the most important transmitters of energy in space, accelerating and scattering particles. Whistling coral waves are some of the strongest electromagnetic waves that naturally form in outer space. Scientists have been studying them for over 70 years, not only near Earth, but also near Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. If these waves are converted into sound waves, at frequencies that our ears can hear, they sound like the chirping of birds. As has been discovered over the years of observation, coral waves play a major role in accelerating the formation and dynamics of the Earth's radiation belts, the emergence of the pulsating northern lights, and the transfer of particle energy into the planet's atmosphere.